Hey, are you looking for luxury living in Metro Detroit,
but you don't have a huge budget? What if I told you living in luxury in Metro Detroit doesn't have to break the bank? Well, today in this video, we're going to check out some brand new builds where high-end finishes can meet your affordable pricing. Stick around to the end. I have something very important I want to tell you about that pertains to this house in particular. So let's get into it right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, ring that little bell. That way you can be one of the first ones notified so you can learn everything there is to learn about living in luxury in Metro Detroit with new construction. My name is Will. I do these videos every single week just to be informative. I want you to learn exactly what it's like to live in luxury in Metro Detroit with new construction. So whether it's 9 days, 90 days, 9 months until you are thinking about making that move, don't hesitate to give me a call. Send me a text, write me an email. You can even set up a Zoom call so it can be face to face. I get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you every single day. And guess what? I love to help. So as I said before, today we're going to show you how you can live in luxury in Metro Detroit. The house right back here is in a nice little neighborhood, Creekside Park in Chesterfield, Michigan. It's approximately maybe 15 to 20 minutes north of Detroit. One of the great things about this neighborhood is very close to a lot of fun, a lot of amenities. We have a wide green open space around here, renowned parks. It's great to the shoreline of Anchor Bay. Another thing is this neighborhood is within 15 minutes from Chesterfield's Crossing Shopping Center, Waterside Marketplace, and also it gives you a lot of areas where you can go. You can attend yoga in the park, a glistening backdrop of St. Clair, Lake St. Clair, handcrafted and homemade goods and arts at the farmers market. The homes in this neighborhood range anywhere between 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths, 2 to 3 car garage, approximately from 1900 all the way up to 2,700 square feet.
it's a model home here, entryway.
This room here is the office where they can have a door put there if you want it, and it looks like they have the flooring all throughout wood flooring. Half bath is right off the entryway.
Half bath.
Yeah, half bath right off the entryway. And then you continue on to the great room, living room area, open features.
The living room,
Open
a little
space.
nook. There you go.
A lot of lighting, breathes in that natural light.
Kitchen. See all these appliances, stainless steel, dishwasher, little island here. This, I believe, is a 4-bedroom. Back to other closet. Going down to the basement. Right here, it's unfinished. Finish how you want it.
Here you have a full bath that has a standalone encased closed shower, standard toilet, and cabinet and sink.
Sub pump. And good thing with this egress, you could possibly add a bedroom down here as well, depending on the height of these ceilings, which it looks over 8 feet. So yeah, that's definitely make this house a little bigger for you.
Moving upstairs to the bedrooms, got carpet on the floor here.
This is one of the bedrooms here. Closet. Another walk-in closet. Bedrooms. Be more to be desired as far as the size. You have this. Leave this a 4-bedroom here. Primary. Bathroom down the stairs. Primary is a Jack and Jill.
It has a double vanity, standalone tub. It has a closet, a walk-in closet further on into the bathroom. Very interesting. I definitely like that. Also, the flooring look like this, a tile flooring there. So it's well together on that end. Have the recessed tray ceilings here. Give it that extra height of recessed lights. Great natural lighting here. Okay, everyone, that's going to just about do it for today's video. I hope you found it very helpful. I didn't forget for that special information I want to tell you about this home here. I have several different promos for this neighborhood here. Hometown Heroes can help you save money and give you up to $2,000 in option for upgrades on a new home. We also have a special interest rate, 5.87% for a second or investment a home here. Another great promo here, if you move in before the 31st, they also have a 2-1 buy down rate. If you would like a little more information about moving into our little slice of luxury, remember, pick up that phone, contact us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you check out other videos. Until next time, hope to see you around town.